Big thanks to Chelsea and Mary, our friends who had an extra room through their vacation club. We packed our bags and took a 3-hour flight to Cancun, Mexico. In Mexico, we stayed at the absolutely jaw-dropping Occidental Xcaret Resort. A few quick tips here. This place is enormous. It is sprawling. Now it is divided into 2 sections of the Occidental Xcaret Resort and the Xcaret Park, which is a completely different theme park experience, separate from the resort. A little bit of confusion for us was the fact that there is a Hotel Xcaret and an Occidental Xcaret Resort. They're 2 different things, but they are really close to each other and within the vicinity of this Xcaret chain. Be prepared, you're going to cover serious ground between the 2 parks, and if you decide to go elsewhere, you're going to cover even more ground. Now, just to make it even more interesting, our friend Chelsea tore her ACL cheerleading, so here we are pushing her up the ramps and then walking around all the parks the best we can using a lightweight transport chair. Not the best, but really worked out well in our conditions. I guess it's something not a lot of us think about, but when you actually have to have something accessible by wheelchair, accessible to those disabled, those that have permanent or temporary injuries that need to be in the chair, they really do a fantastic job at making everything pretty much accessible that needs to be. Something not to miss at Xcaret is the underwater cave float. It's like a lazy river through underground caves. It's amazing. After we walked around the rest of this beautiful park, we checked out this amazing Mexican spectacular, which was just that. It was spectacular. The next day, me and my wife were looking for some adventure, and if you've heard of this park, the world famous Xplor Park. Now this is the Xplor Fuego. Xplor Fire, my friends. And they mean it. You're donning this hard hat for very good reason. Also for a very good reason, there's no alcohol served at this park. Now you might think to yourself, why not? But once you go here, you will see that there should be no alcohol served at this park. Yup.
Alright, restaurant and beverage.
First thing we did was head to these amphibious vehicles. I wanted to see what these were all about. They look like modified John Deere Gators, and we're about to see what they can do. There is a daytime and a nighttime section of this park, but if you go early enough at the nighttime section of this park, which started at 4:30 p.m., you still get a little bit of sunlight. So if you want to drive these here, you can get like a recce in the daytime and then do it at night. There's 2 different trails.
This is hysterical.
Learn how the brake goes before you start flinging it around. Dumbass.
So I got the brake, look, I'm 2 foot. And if I need to, I got a handbrake. Let's try the handbrake real quick. Let's see what happens around this corner. Alright, I mean, right?
We have 5 hours, you don't need to go super fast.
have made some time on, you see what I'm saying?
Okay, it's
Like-
not a rally though.
No, exactly, but we should have made time on them.
Word to the wise, there are checkpoints. And if you go speeding and sideways into those checkpoints like I did, you might be told to slow down at every single checkpoint you see. And if you get told enough, they will remove you from the cart. So just be careful.
Nailed it.
Whoa! We just bottomed out.
They're up there. The pictures look fun with the two little lights.
Fuego! This is so maddening. Oh my gosh. Ready? Oh! Wow, this is incredible. They could have. The automatic mini trucks. But this is much more fun. It's open. I like the open of it. Sorry. Getting a little crazy. Getting a little crazy.
Okay, rolling. Don't lay back. You're like tailgating.
Well, we're right. There's people behind us, though. What do we do? They were supposed to let us pass. Maybe we should, like, give them a not a tap, but just like a hey guys.
Oh,
over here. Thank you. Ready? E-brake. It was the seats, they like popped up in the back.
A little stuff. That steep incline.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Whoa, what? Whoa, yeah!
Slow that out. You don't even know where you're going, and you're just flying.
At night, this place took on a whole new character. Fuego!
Cool. Bridge time. Do I wait or just nail it? Straddle it. Straddle the bridge. There you go. You got it. Nice. Woo-hoo! Yeah, pull.
Oh, barely.
Yup. Whoa! Yeah, straddle. Nice, good job. Oh, right turn to a left. Or maybe straight. Nail it.
There you go.
Fuego!
Steep incline. They were going into a cave.
Yeah, we got this little volcano.
Oh, what?
Oh, turn on your lights during the daytime.
Yes! Fuego!
Xplor. Oh man, that is awesome. Cantaloupe mint. Who would have ever thought? Oh man, Chad, this is nuts. This is so cool. These are the wading pools. They are. Look at little wading pools. All right. Woo-hoo!
We had the most incredible time in Mexico, in Cancun. This was just an incredible, non-forgettable experience. If you ever have the chance or opportunity to come to any one of these parks down here, or enjoy any one of these hotels in this chain, this Xcaret or Occidental chain, go do it. This was like 5-star, best service ever. Everyone was amazing. It really was just a magical time with some really good friends. So thank you once again. We'll see you soon, everyone. Take care.